pong kanta ng Alone Again, naturally, sung by, originated by, anong pangalan ng ano? Gilbert Sullivan, interpreted by Bibina Garcia on the house. Yan po, kinakanta po namin. Yan, last verse. Alone again, naturally. Last verse. Looking back over the years, whatever does appear, I remember I cried when my father died, never wished to hide the tears. And at 65 years old, my mother, God bless her soul, couldn't understand why the only man she had ever loved been taken, leaving her to start with a heart so badly broken. Despite encouragement from me, no words were ever spoken. And when she passed away, I cried and cried all day. Alone again, naturally. Alone again, naturally. Pero ini pa natin